Alright guys, I got a weird one for you. It's an 07 Honda Civic LX model. Situation with this car is it won't start. It's a really weird one. So when I put the key, all you can see is the check engine light. And you can hear a relay. That blue relay right there, it's actually clicking. Try to turn on the car, nothing. Grab this little computer here, hook it up, relay stops, relay noise stops. Try to turn on the car, turns on somewhat. The minute you pull it off, car turns off, relay clicking. Weird.